Having cut a worktop to length, it may be necessary to cap an exposed end off with a downturn. In order to do this, we mark out the underframe that needs to be removed using the thickness of the downturn and the width of the underframe strip that will be used at the back of the downturn. Furthermore, we ensure that the downturn is stepped back 2 mm from the underside edge of the worktop. The excess MDF underframe is then removed with a hand router. And the remaining blocks are prized off with a chisel, and any excess adhesive is pared off. This clears the area to accommodate the downturn. Prior to bonding the downturn, we again ensure that the jointing area is smooth and clean. The MDF frame is then siliconed and hot melted into place. The hot melt will hold the frame in position while the silicone cures. The jointed edge of the downturn is then keyed up and cleaned with the alcohol wipe. The joint adhesive is then applied. And the downturn is positioned and clamped into position. Once the adhesive has cured hard, the clamps can be removed and the excess material can be routed off to leave a clean edge ready for sanding. The bottom edge of the downturn can also be profiled off. The sanding process is the same as with the joint, using 100 grit, then 120 grit, then 220 grit papers, before finishing off with the red and grey nylon pads on the underside and edge of the downturn.